PRUMIX is a professional company with kosher, halal, headquartered and based in Hangzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. Our cooperation plant, located in Jiaxing, Zhejiang, close to Shanghai and Hangzhou City. Being one of the world professional food additive suppliers, we devote ourselves to product development and technology innovation in the field of vitamins and aims for better human health, and strive to provide well-quality products and service to improve human health. Main products include vitamins, APIs, amino acids and food additives, premixes, OEM for coated or formulation, such as vitamin A, D, E, beta-carotene, unsaturated fatty acids, etc., which are widely used in human products. PRUMIX is expanding our business field into food ingredients, baking and beverage, healthcare products, pharmaceuticals, respectively, and feed ingredients in accordance with company development and clients' requirement. Every year we attend exhibitions both in domestic and abroad, like PHI, FIE, FIA, VitaFood, etc. Our products are exporting to Europe, Asia, North America, Mid-Latin America, Middle East, and other areas, about 90 countries in total. We have good partnership with Chinese manufacturers, always focus on good service, professional experience, competitive price, and enough stock. We will continue to forge ahead and strive hard for excellence. Keep on exploring and progressing to develop more high-tech products with superior quality to satisfy increasing demands of the clients and create value for our partners.